Did you have a look at the topic for today, Arushi?
Mm, no, I'm not sure. I don't remember actually whether I have checked or not. What's the topic?
Childhood.
Childhood. Yeah, I know. I know. I have checked it.
Okay, very good, very good. Now, before we proceed, there's just one thing I want to correct you with. That is the pronunciation of a word. The pronunciation of the word is error,
Error.
not
Error.
error, error.
Error.
Better, very good, very nice.
Error.
Okay,
Okay.
so yeah, uh, it is about childhood.
Mm-hmm.
So you want to share something about your childhood, like where were you born, which city, which
Yeah. I am born and brought up in Nagpur. I mean, I'm childhood only. I'm here. I haven't changed my city. There is no particular special childhood memories that you know, like from this city or from this village. I my childhood is very common. Like yeah, same same city, nothing special.
okay. Two things. First is my I was born and
Mm-hmm.
brought up. I was born, past tense,
I was born and brought up.
in Nagpur.
Yeah, okay.
Second thing is you said my childhood is very common. It should
Mm-hmm.
be my childhood is very regular.
Is very regular. Yeah, okay.
Hmm. Okay. And
Mm-hmm.
you stay in Nagpur. I got a friend who stays in Nagpur. Very beautiful place.
Friend, you have a friend in Nagpur. Okay. Wow. And
Very
where are you
beautiful place.
from?
Bombay.
Okay. Nagpur is very beautiful place. Yeah, it is.
Hmm.
And it is very safe and secure also. It's in middle. So
Why
yeah.
like that? Why do you say safe and secure?
Because I mean we rely on middle, right? On the map. So there are very less chances. So I mean, uh,
I think talking about the cyclone. I think so much so.
cyclone or anything. I mean, when it comes to anything, no, we are always safe because we are in the middle and we are like surrounded by so many cities or that's why
That's
I
very
think.
good. Yeah. Nagpur is one of the cities which I want to visit in Maharashtra.
Okay, so you haven't been here. You have a friend, so you should visit.
Yeah,
Okay, so
I would
friend
love.
means how come your friend is here? I mean,
She
whether
was
it's
working here. She was working in Bombay.
okay.
Then she moved to Nagpur, and yeah,
Yeah, you should visit Nagpur. It's a very good
hmm,
place.
very beautiful place. Yeah.
So
So
yeah,
you said that you have had a very regular childhood. When you were
hmm
young, did you have any like did you play any pranks on anyone, mischief?
Yes.
You want to tell us about that?
sorry,
You want to tell about that? Any pranks which you played on anyone, any mischief?
I didn't get you. What did you say? Can you please repeat?
Did you prank anyone? Did you play mischief on someone? Did you trouble anyone? Uh,
Okay, prank.
as a kid,
Yeah, a lot. As a childhood, many times. I mean,
as a
as a kid,
child.
many times. As a child,
Very,
many times. Yeah.
very good, very good. You want to tell anything on those lines?
And I don't even remember now because there was no. I mean, there was no single incident. There were lots of incidents where we had played and that time we didn't even know that this is prank or something. We were like, yeah, I mean that
We're
was
just
just
having fun.
fun that time.
Correct. Correct.
So yeah, I remember one, like we were playing hide and seek, I mean friends, and we were just you know hide. Everyone was hide at their places,
Everyone would
and
hide.
yeah, everyone would hide, and the person who was, what should I say now?
The person who was
Uh-huh.
supposed to seek. So if we are playing hide and seek, if I'm going to hide, you are the seeker.
Speaker,
Seeker, seeker.
speaker.
Hide and seek, seeker.
Seeker. Okay, yeah, okay. The person who was seeker was actually trying
Who
to,
was the
you know,
seeker?
was the seeker. Okay, the person who was the seeker was trying to find us, right?
Very good. Go on, go on.
Okay, so he was trying to find us, and we were just went to our homes. I mean, we just stopped, and he was continuously trying to find us. And I think almost 1 hour later, he realized that we were gone already. So that was the biggest prank for uh, for him.
This is a very nice prank, very interesting one actually.
Okay, so you can correct me now.
No, actually, you did. I actually did. There was one thing which you made that is, I forgot where you made a mistake. But yeah, I corrected you immediately.
Okay,
Okay.
the person
We
who was
have,
finding us was fine, right?
yeah, absolutely.
Right.
Absolutely. So we have 3 minutes left. I'll give you feedback for this.
Mm-hmm.
Um, you need help when it comes to grammar, like the articles where
Mm-hmm.
you're supposed to use the, where you're supposed to use the. For example, um, these are two pen drives which I have.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so if I tell you, Arushi, give me a pen drive, you can give me either of them. But if
Yeah.
this is a specific pen drive, like has something specific in it, and we have already spoken about that, they've established that this
Mm-hmm.
is a specific pen drive. So if I say, Arushi, give me the pen drive, then this becomes the pen drive, specific pen. So the is used for something specific. That's why it is the sun. And we say
Yeah.
a star. I saw a star. I'm seeing the sun because there's only one sun. The moon. Yes.
But for pen drive, how can you say the pen drive? Because
Why not?
how
It
can
is a
I
specific
identify?
pen drive. No? It is a specific pen drive. For example, let's
You can
say,
say, uh-huh.
go on, go on, go on.
No, no, no. I mean, if you're asking me, give me the pen drive which has this documents or something, then I can understand. But give me a pen drive means give me one pen drive, right?
Correct.
The pen drive is how specifically, because there are so many pen drives.
Correct. That's why I
So
said we have
that's
already
what I'm.
established that this is the pen drive which I want. So, for example, let's
Mm-hmm.
say we are friends and we went somewhere. Pictures of our picnic are in this pen drive. So, if I tell you, Arushi, give me the pen drive which you have already spoken about,
Oh yeah,
then you would give me this one because this has pictures of our picnic with that.
yeah. We have already spoken about.
Yes.
Then we can say the. I mean, we. Yeah. Okay. Got it.
Correct.
Mm-hmm.
That is why that is when we use the like that. Or
Yeah.
there are other situations also. Uh, give me give me the keys. So I'm talking about
The
how
keys.
home keys
Yeah.
or car
Give me the
keys.
keys. Give me the keys. Car
So
keys. Okay.
if let's say we both are friends, we're going out somewhere, and I want to drive. It is your car. I will tell Arushi, give me the keys. So you will give me the car keys because I've told you that I want to drive. So establish I'm asking for the car key. If I
Okay.
want to open something, I'll tell you give me a key. Any key will do, right? So I'll take any key and I'll open it. If I want to open something.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, okay,
That's
okay.
how it is.
This is something new for me. I haven't heard about this. What I know is the thing is which is one or which is like you know
Unique?
unique exactly. Then we use the, but
Correct.
this is new for me.
Correct. Correct. Correct.
Yeah, that
Absolutely
is
correct.
also correct, right?
Absolutely.
That is very common. That something is unique, then we use the for that.
The sun, the moon, the
Yeah. Okay.
like that.
Mhm.
So we have less time. The call might just get disconnected anytime.
Yeah, yeah.
Uh, Yeah. So if it gets disconnected, I think our session will end. But I have this feedback too. And you speak very well. That's a very nice thing. You speak
Oh,
confidently. It's a good thing.
thank you, thank you.
Welcome.
So are you working full time for clapping or specific hours?
Nothing. Specific hours. Yeah.
Okay, maybe that's why I found you first time only in the list of tutors.
Uh,
If
I have
tutors
specific
are
hours.
okay, if tutors are full time, then we can see them usually, like every time
I
their
think so. Yeah.
name pops up. Yeah,
Hmm.
okay, that's good. So what do you do apart from clapping? Go
I'm a trainer.
trainer. So language trainer there also
No.
or something else.
Uh, technical trainer.
Oh, technical trainer. That's great. Nice,
What do
nice
you
to
do?
know that. I do work for a company, corporate company, one of
I'm
the
working.
MNC.
I'm working with
Yeah,
a corporate company,
I'm working with a corporate company. Yeah.
with an MNC. I'm working with an MNC
And why?
because the sound is a vowel sound.
And
A. That is why we say
and
an R. One R is an R, right? It is not a
yeah,
R
yeah,
because
yeah.
the sound is a vowel sound.
R. But why
Ah,
but R no
ah, and R. The sound
and
is a
R.
vowel sound, right? In
Hmm.
MNC also it is A, not M. The sound is A. It again is for O. So it is not
Oh,
dependent on the letter, it is dependent on the sound. That is why when we use
okay.
O and I.
MNC. It starts from M. A.
A.
That's why. Oh,
The sound, not the letter, the sound.
yeah, yeah. I understood now. MNC. Okay, that's
Yes.
great. I think you are like very knowledgeable in terms of this grammar things and all. Yeah,
I have read a lot.
nice.
I read a lot.
Yeah, I can see that because I had session with many trainers, but this is the first time I'm you know I'm getting this feedback for vowels and articles.
Walls. Actually, the
Vowels.
pronunciation of the word wall is difficult. Wall. I think even I'm pronouncing it incorrectly. Wall.
Walls, walls. Yeah. Actually, everyone pronounce it differently, so it's difficult to understand. Vowels.
Ah, right.